Next concept is angle between the tangents. So we want to find the angle between the tangents which are drawn from an external point to the circle S is equals to 0. For that, first we take the circle S is equals to 0 here. This is one circle S is equals to 0. Next we are taking one external point P is equals to x1 y1, px1 y1, P any external point. Now from this external point we are drawing two tangents to the circle. These are the tangents which are drawn from the point P to the circle. Now the two tangents touches the circle at the points A, B. So now what is the angle between the tangents? Now we want to find the angle between these two tangents. For that we take the angle between the two tangents. Let the angle between the two tangents is equals to theta. So that is the given data. That is the data we taken here. Let S is equal to 0 with the circle and P is equal to x1 y1 be external point and that theta with the angle between the tangents. So clearly this is the center of the circle. And just we are joining the point A to the center and B to the center. Now clearly these two values are radius values. CA is equals to R and CB is equals to R. Now just I join the point P to the center. This is the just joining the points P, C. Now the total angle is equals to angle between these two lines is equal to theta. Total angle is equals to. Now here we have two triangles. The first triangle is PAC and the second triangle is PBC. So in these two triangles, when we observe that the side AC is equals to BC. In these two triangles, the AC side is equals to BC, and this is the common side of the two triangles. This is the side of the first triangle, this is the side of the second triangle. This is the common side, and at the same time angle is equal to 90 degrees, angle is equal to 90 degrees. Here angle between the tangent and radius, that is 90 degrees. Angle between the tangent and radius, that is 90 degrees. So here two sides are equal. This is the common side, these two sides are equal, and one angle is equal in both of the triangles, which implies the two triangles are identical. That means corresponding sides are equal, at the same time corresponding angles are equal. That is, so here the angle between the two tangents is equals to theta. Then what is half of the values? Here the these two angles are equal. So each angle is taken as theta by 2. Total angle is equals to theta. Then half of the angles, these two angles are equal. Since these two triangles are identical triangles, these two angles are equal. So each of the angle is taken as theta by 2. These two triangles are identical triangles. So we take any one of the two triangles. So first we take the first triangle, that is from triangle PAC. Now we consider the triangle PAC and taking the value of tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equals to, this is a right angle triangle. This angle is equal to 90 degrees. So this PC is the hypotenuse. Now theta by 2, tan theta by 2 is equals to opposite by adjacent. That is opposite value CA by adjacent value PA, which implies tan theta by 2 is equals to CA. CA is nothing but the radius, and PA is equals to length of the tangent. Here this is the tangent which is drawn from x1 y1 to the circle. So length of the tangent formula root s11. That is PA value is equal to root s11. So this is the formula, tan theta by 2 is equals to R by root s11, which is used to find the angle between the tangents of the circle. Very important formula. And area of the triangle. Area of triangle PAC is equals to, area of triangle PAC is equals to formula half into base into height, and this is equals to half into, since this is the right angle triangle, what is base here? Base is equals to PA and height is equals to AC. Right angle triangle, so base of height, that is half into base value root s11 and radius value is equals to R. Height value is equals to R. Now this is the formula area to find the area of the triangle PAC. And the next formula is area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents with the pair of radii. That is, the area of the quadrilateral PACB is equals to, the area of the quadrilateral is equals to 2 into area of the triangle PAC. Therefore, area of PACB, area of the quadrilateral PACB is equals to 2 into area of the PAC. That equals to 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 into area of triangle PS is equal to 1 by 2 into root S11 into R. That is 2 into root S half into root S11 into R is equals to R into root S11, which is very important formula for MSET and JEE mains exams. The area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents with the pair of radii is R into root S11. And area of the triangle PAC is equals to half into R into root S11. And angle between the tangents formula tan theta by 2 is equal to R by root S11, where theta is the angle between the tangents. Find the angle between the tangents drawn from 3, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the angle between the tangents. So we find the angle between the tangents by using the formula tan theta by 2 is equals to R by root S11. Now this is the formula to find the angle between the tangents. So first we are taking the given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0 and given point is equals to 3, 2. So first now we calculate the values of R and root S11 first. So to find the value of radius, that is here 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equals to 4, c is equal to minus 2. That is g is equal to minus 3, f is equals to 2. Therefore radius R is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is 9 plus 4 minus of minus plus 2 is equals to root 15. This is radius value. Next root S11 is equals to. Root S11 means we are substituting the point 3, 2 in the given circle equation. That is 3 square plus 2 square minus 6 into 3 plus 4 into 2 minus 2. And this is equals to 9 plus 4 minus 8a plus 8 minus 2. And this is equals to 13 plus 8, 21 minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 is equals to root 1. That equals to 1. Therefore, angle between the tangents. Angle between the tangents is formula tan theta by 2 is equals to R by root S11. That is R value root 15 by root S11 value 1 equals to root 15. Theta by 2 is equal to root 15, which implies theta by 2 is equals to tan inverse of root 15. That is theta is equals to 2 tan inverse of root 15. Now this is the angle between the tangents. Theta is equal to 2 tan inverse root 15. And we have some alternate method also to find the angle between the tangents. That is, here we take the formula cos theta. Cos theta is equals to formula 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now we are substituting this tan theta by 2 value in this formula. Tan theta by 2 is equal to root 15, then tan square theta by 2 is equals to 15. That is 1 minus 15 by 1 plus 15. That is cos theta is equals to minus 14 by 16 equals to minus 7 by 8, which implies theta is equals to cos inverse of minus 7 by 8. This is also the answer, which is the angle between the pair of tangents. So if we want the answer in terms of cos inverse, then we use this formula, or otherwise we take this formula. But both are the correct answers. We do the problem either in this way or in this way.